Hi everyone and welcome in the CDAS Academy. In today's video we'll see which are the 4 apps you need to start right with the factory. So first of all, there are four apps. 2 of them are directly linked to the structure sensor itself and 2 is for the use of the factory. So first of all you have calibrate and structure, which one is to calibrate the scan and the other one to maintain it update. Then you have OPCT, the main app you will use for the factory, and VoxelScan is the app you will use to scan either foods or phone box. So let's go to the App Store and find them. First of all, hit the search bar and type out structure sensor. There you will see from the manufacturer the 2 apps I told you, structure sensor calibrator and the second app, which is structure. So one is to maintain it updated, which is the structure, and the other one to calibrate it. Then let's go and hit OPCT. This is the main app you will need for the factory. And then last but not least, the VoxelScan app. This is the app you will use to scan and send all your scan to the OPCT app. And there it is, the 4 apps you need to use the factory right. So calibrate it to calibrate the scan, structures to maintain it update, OPCT, the main app where you can order all your insoles you need for your patient and you can keep the history of them, and then VoxelScan where you can scan the feet or the phone box and send it to the OPCT app. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.